Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn a voicemail on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, remember this iPhone don't have a direct turn off voicemail button, but don't worry, we still have easy ways to disable it. This is the most common and simple method. Open settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap phone or tap on call forwarding. Now turn on call forwarding. Enter a phone number that is switched off or unused. You can even use your carrier's voicemail deactivation number. Now when someone calls you, the call is forwarded so voicemail won't activate. This is the best long-term solution. Call your mobile carrier and ask them to disable voicemail on your line. If you are using an iPhone from Apple, once they disable it, voicemail will stop completely. Voicemail settings depends on your carrier, so results may vary slightly. If you want voicemail fully and permanently off, calling your carrier is the safest option. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off voicemail on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.